Hello, can you all hear me? Can you all hear? Can you all hear? Yes, Pankaj, yes, thank you. So it's been 3:32. Um, shall we start? Yes, thank you. So good afternoon to all. My name is Ajit. I'm from Civil Department of same college, St. Joseph Engineering College. We are just waiting for some other people to join in. So that I don't know how many people have registered. Good afternoon, Raju sir. Yeah, we will just wait for 2 more minutes so that more participants have joined. And after some time, we will just start. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, Akshay sir, Laima ma'am, Vinu sir, Chaitra ma'am, Deepthi ma'am, Raju sir, Evita ma'am, James, Jayalakshmi ma'am, Mayuri ma'am, Punesh sir, Ramya ma'am, uh, okay, Rashmi ma'am. Okay. Good afternoon. Yeah, I think attendance. Yeah, it is attendance. I'm just waiting. So yeah, good afternoon. Okay, fine. Chaitra Shetty ma'am. Hello. Uh, so good afternoon to all. Let us start with the presentation. So many of you might have mainly attended my session, previous session, that is what's the buzz about. That one was mainly about the use of social media platforms such as Instagram and LinkedIn. The main problem is that LinkedIn, people don't really use it. More and more people have to use it. So start using it, start using Instagram, and also follow me, okay, so that I will get some more followers. That would be good. Your voice is breaking. Maybe it is internet connection of the person. Is it breaking to everyone? Is it breaking to everyone? Is the voice fine? Yeah, maybe the internet connection. Okay, it's been already 3:35. It's breaking. I'm right now. I'm sitting at CCC as of now. I am not sure about it. It is clear now. Okay, I will just speak a little louder. Okay, no issues. Yeah, thank you. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, thank you, sir. Prashant, sir. Yes. So let us just start. Okay, we will not wait for more time. If we start the session fast, we will finish the session fast and we can all get back to your work. So thank you all for attending. Very much appreciated. Thank you for your support. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So can you see the screen, sir? Sir, screen. Okay, fine. So yeah, thank you. So as you can see, the poster over here, as you can imagine, this was the main poster. This is my own PPT. This I had done with the online presentation tool called as Prezi. Okay, it is an online presentation tool which was found out in 2005. It is very interactive session. I hope so. Okay, so this is the main. Okay, let us start. Okay, let's start already. So this is my topic is leveraging digital marketing for brand building. So why is the brand so much important? What is the main thing that is attracting the people who are present or customers who are mainly present? What is the main thing that is drawing them into a brand? What is so special about the brand? Okay, let me just ask you a question. Okay, now you just click on the Chrome. Okay, you just click on the Chrome. Your internet is properly fine. Okay, then you will go to YouTube, or you will go to Google, or you will go to Twitter, or anything. Okay, just consider you go to YouTube. Okay, the voice will not come. Okay, the video will not come. So you check. What do you check first? First, you will check your internet connection. Then you will check if the laptop is proper or not. Then you will see Twitter. Then you will get to know that the YouTube is broken. So people in the beginning, they will not think that it is YouTube. This can't break. So that is the brand value. Okay, sorry. So that is the main brand value. If that brand is so huge, they will never think that Google might be breaking. It might be my own connection. It might be something problem with me. So that is the brand value. So that's why we need to always concentrate on a brand building situation. Okay, the same cloth, the same design, it is found in India. The cloth, whichever is there, the same thing. If it has a brand name Adidas, then its cost goes very much high. Why? Because of the name. That's all. The shoes which are there, Nike shoes, it's very costly. There is nothing special. Only thing is that brand. How did they come to that brand? Because of the reputation that they had done from the last few years or last 50 years or so. That is the value of brand. So we have to make a brand of our own college, St. Joseph's Engineering College. So what we can do, how did I come to this presentation? You will come to know. I will just link with mainly my social media account, that is official SJEC, and what we have done, what we have been doing. We are almost in the right path, but what can be increased, or what can be the, or what we can say, what can we improve? Okay, how we can improve? What is the right path we are going? If it is the right path, shall we continue it? Or if it is the wrong path, what is the main thing that we have to do? Okay, so yes. So first, coming to the introduction. So now, as you can see, 1.3 billion Indians use social media as of 2019. So that's a very huge market. So as you can see, you can say 1.3 billion. How 1.3 billion? That is the population of Indians. How come 100% of people are using? That is not the thing. One person can have 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 4 accounts, fake accounts. So all those things mixed up, and this is the whole part of that 1.3 billion. Whatever is there, so many users of India or Indians are using so much of mainly the social media account. So that's a very huge market for us. Okay, that is the main thing why we are mainly opting for digital marketing. Okay, so next, as you can see over here, that is the users in India. So as you can see, Twitter it is 8 million, Snapchat it is 15 million, LinkedIn it is very less actually, 59 million. We have to use it more and more. We have to really use it more and more. Pinterest it is 69 million, Instagram it is, okay, Pinterest it is 67, Instagram it is 69, TikTok it is 120 million. See, it was very recently announced, but still it has so much of followers. Unfortunately, it is banned for them, I guess. Quora has 230 million. You get the idea. You have seen the PPT, right? So WhatsApp. So everybody has WhatsApp, but everybody doesn't have all these other accounts. So as you can see, what are the users mainly made up of? Okay. So now, if we go to the hierarchy of here, as you can see, I'm just saying, see WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, all these things are personal in order to promote ourselves. But LinkedIn and Twitter is mainly a political agenda or job kind of things. Those are posted. So people basically don't like it so much. The audience over the Twitter and LinkedIn is very low because of the political things, or kind of it doesn't mainly attract the people. But more and more we use LinkedIn, more and more we can get connected to the industries. It is very important. Twitter is also very powerful. When election of America is going on, they mainly use Twitter and Facebook. I haven't added the Facebook because it's already obsolete. Okay, people basically don't use nowadays. What I had heard from the people in the Instagram, that is, I can't access the link. But Instagram doesn't have that option. But Facebook has that option. But people are not at all using Facebook. So what is the point of including Facebook? I thought. Okay. So where we have to concentrate more into Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay. So in the previous session, I had explained about LinkedIn. So everyone, please open up LinkedIn and start using it. It is very good social media platform. Okay. So mainly the question. So why social media marketing? Okay. So likelihood of buying. Okay. I will just focus it on the graph. So as you can see here, likelihood of buying from the brand the people follow on social media. Social media, many brands are there, right? Adidas, Puma, everything. So if the user interface, or how we show the world how it is, the social media account like Instagram or Facebook, if they are mainly attracted towards that, the people who buy these Nike shoes or Puma shirts, they are more likely to be happy. Okay. So more and more the accounts of social media must be attractive. So likelihood of buying from a brand people follow on social media. If they follow some brand in social media, always the ads about that Nike shoes or Puma shoes, it will be coming and people will tend to buy. See, we people basically use Instagram for time pass purpose, or kind of in order to, clear our mind. But what people are doing here, they are selling ads. Okay, that is what Google basically does. They are selling ads, they collect our data, then according to our data or whatever it is collected, then they will mainly focus targeted audience, they will basically show the advertisement. Okay, so as you can see over here, 3.8% are less likely, but as you can see over here, 57.5% is more likely that if some person is following a social media account, they are basically, or they can buy, or the marketplace will go up. They will definitely buy some of the product which they are following in the social media. So as you can see, from the computer itself, we have to show the world, this virtual world, that we are there. So some product is selling, so it should be there. People has to see. People have to see in a way that they are passing the time, not in ad like a TV. So TV, when the ad comes, you will get annoyed. But when you scroll through the Instagram, you will not even recognize it is an ad. So that is the subconscious mind. It is saying, okay, Nike is good, Nike is good, okay, Adidas is good. Okay, in the same way, same thing. For example, Harvard College or Manipal, same thing. If we follow and if we see the how they portray mainly, we will think that okay, fine, this college is very good. Maybe I have to join my children over there. Okay, fine. Children, because parents don't really use nowadays. Children will suggest parents that I will join this college. So that is the main power of social media accounts. Okay. So next. So are they happy? Okay, after buying some product, are they happy? So percentage more likely to buy after a positive social experience. If the social experience like Flipkart or anything, if you can take into example, once they see the screen, if they are attracted, like wow, this phone is so nice. For example, Apple. Have you seen the website of Apple? That is so awesome. So if you see that, and if they buy it, 71% of the time they are happy. So they think that we are happy. So that is what it is. So percentage of, so more and more we have to concentrate on the social experience, what they are looking into. Okay. So that was the intro. Next, keep in mind, okay, these are the things what we have to mainly keep in mind. So what basically matters for a social media to be having or getting many followers? First thing is that being very responsive. Okay, in the official SJC, basically if someone messages, I will be very responsive, because I will come to next why it is so responsive. Like I basically like to mainly browse Instagram, but also in the same time, it is kind of, I am passionate towards it. So I will be replying to them. So they will think that, okay, official SJC is replying. It is not just a dummy account. Next, offering promotions. I will be offering promotion. I will just relate with the official SJEC because I have experienced it. Okay, so what I have done, I can also give an insight about offering promotions to our alumni or any of the art or any of the pages. If I put into story, it will come into or reach into more areas. So that things people really matter the most. Next, providing educational content such as providing stories of EDX, providing the information of Coursera. Coursera was a very big hit. Why? Because mainly not I'm not saying that I have put in the social media, that's why it is famous, but the advertisement which was given, it had reached many people, so it was a positive response. Next, sharing interesting visuals, the posters which are done in this college, so they are very attractive, so they mainly attract the audience. Being funny, okay, this is one thing. As it is official SJEC, I'm not sharing any memes or such kind, that is there, but being funny is also one of the big criteria that we have to focus upon. Offering exclusive content, like whatever is in this page, only in this page only it has to be there, not any other page. Okay, so it is kind of like a one-stop solution. If you go into official SJC, you will get the information. That's all. They have to have that sense. So that has been doing, if any holidays are declared, the first thing to come into official SJC, students will see students. If it is a holiday, they will feel happy. If there is an exam, fine. But you get the idea, right? So next, offering, okay, providing behind the scenes of content. For example, Tiara and Joshiana 2.0, not 2.0, 10.0. Behind the scenes video was also put. So the response of that was very high. Okay, talking for the competing brands. That please don't do it. Okay, we know which are the colleges we are mainly uh, rivaling upon. Okay, there are many colleges over here. I will not say the names, but we can't trash talk them. Okay, we can't blame them like, see, our college is so posh, their college is so dabba. We can't say that. So that is not the thing that matters. Okay, 10% it matters, but not more than that. To some extent, you can trash talk, but more than that, people will start, oh man, okay, fine, I will not follow this page. This is too much of trash talk. I will not follow this. So that is the one thing you should not do. Okay, so now followers lost because I will again take the example of official SJEC itself. Now there is an app called as Follower Analyzer. In that, basically, till now I had gained, or we had gained basically 3,600 odd of followers, but right now it is nearly 2,200 something. So 1,200 or 300 number of people have unfollowed suddenly. So why is that? That might be because, so I was thinking my profile is so cool. Why am I losing followers? Okay, basically, first thing is that too many promotional messages. Okay, too many. Only about our college. Okay, too many promotional. Okay, so our brand is so awesome. Our brand is the top class. Okay. Information which is not relevant. 41% people unfollow because information is not relevant. Okay, this page is not so good. We will unfollow it. Okay. Next, they tweet too much. Okay, so if tweets are coming more recently, for example, T series in YouTube. If you subscribe to that channel, only the news about T series will only come. Who is interested in only watching T series, man? Nobody is basically interested in T series. So they unsubscribe again. So they tweet too much. Don't tweet too much per day. Two per day, two is enough. Okay. Also Instagram also morning one, evening one. More than that, people will okay. These people are always posting, so that might be not a good thing. Okay. Use of slang Jordan doesn't fit the brand. Okay. For example, if you can see Nokia connecting people. Okay. If they start using as Nokia disconnecting people, that doesn't fit the brand. So these many days they are saying that uh, connecting people. Now suddenly if they change the tagline of the brand, that also doesn't look good. Next, too quiet. The okay, fine. Once the account is done, then stop. Nothing is going on. They will think, what is going on? Why should I follow? There is no purpose to follow, right? So that has happened in a basically social media accounts of SJC, SJC Mayhem, SJC Memes, SJC Confession. Many pages are there. You just go and type in the search bar of Instagram and you will see SJC. There are so many of pages. They are all quiet. They are not doing anything. So people, so they start getting annoyed and they will start unfollowing. They don't reply to me. So this is the main thing why I basically reply to everyone. The one thing is that Instagram that doesn't give the link of Bitly. So I basically post it in Facebook also, the Bitly comes. But people are not following Facebook. So that is the problem, right? So they don't reply to me. So sometimes they DM to me. That time I have to again send the link to them. So if they also had used Facebook, that would be good. But it is what it is. So I hope Instagram will bring us again a new update in which we can share the link. Okay. So this is the main thing why we might have lost the followers. Okay. So next, what is the strategy behind it? Okay. So what we have to mainly think, what we have to mainly concentrate on. So everything is digital now. By regularly sharing out relevant content from third parties, you will extend your reach and authority. So third party, someone like Bangalore Merijan, that Instagram accounts are there. If you share them, you will get an authority over the customers. So but most people go about this in a completely wrong way. They don't share it. They are having too much of ego. I'm just saying in general, not saying we are doing it. In general, they don't leave it to the third parties. They have that ego. So why should we share to other people? That has to decrease. Okay. So that is one of the strategy. Continuing the strategy, the goal of this content should be to provide something of interest and relevance to your audience. Okay. For example, we can say food, Zomato. Okay, their content is so cool that always, if a Ganesh Chaturthi comes, they will post a post that like don't be like Ganesha or be like Ganesha and happy Ganesh Chaturthi, eat food because it is mainly related to food, right? Zomato, food. So they are linking to each other, and we are more interested in very creative stuff of them. You shouldn't only share out content related to your specific offer or area of expertise. No. Always don't share what is relevant to us. It will be like self-centered or in a way narcissist type of thing. Okay, you want to create content to appeal what your prospects care about. They care about sports. They care about. I'm telling about our college. They care about placements. They care about fests. We more concentrate on that than the technical talks, more and more audience we can gain, and also we might not lose the people. Okay. Next, this is a buzz stream study that is 45% of people will unfollow a brand on social media because of too much of self promotion. Okay. Uh, in the beginning, it was there, but now it has changed completely drastically. We are not self promoting so much in our Instagram page. Okay, fine. Basically, it is good. Okay, it is good to promote, but only keep it to 20%. So, if I'm just saying, if you are opening up your own Instagram account, any drawing or something, don't promote yourself too much. 20% is enough. Okay, they know the value of the brand. That's why they are following you in the first place, right? Again, promoting, why is that? That is is not relevant. Okay. So how to start? How do you know what will interest your prospects? Okay, ask yourself. Just an example, what publications are your prospects most likely to read? What keywords or topics are relevant to their job? So LinkedIn, basically, we can basically follow LinkedIn profile and it is more relevant to job kind of things. Challenge yourself to look beyond the interests that are directly related to your business. Okay, I hope you get this point. It is very straightforward. If you have any content, if you are very good at cooking, you share that content. Okay, you just start it. So basically, this had happened to us to some extent, but now it is not there, I hope. So basically, this cartoon is what is the big campaign idea? So one person says, for example, okay, for example, anyone A, B, C. Okay, we are going digital. Facebook, YouTube, mobile app, Pinterest. Okay, then he asks, what are we going to do with all those channels? I don't know. We will figure it out later. So is not that is not proper. Okay. Don't do that. First, figure it out, plan, then only execute. So this is not there in our college, I can say. So this is about relationship building and keeping you in front of the prospects. First, plan it, then only you have to execute it. So again, I'm just asking you people to follow official SJEC and please see what are the strategies that had been done. Okay, that is a teamwork. Okay, that is not done by me. That was a teamwork. Next, so these are the things you have to keep in mind. Next, how we can approach. So approach your sales outreach with a long-term mindset. Okay, short-term mindset will do nothing. Tomorrow you will get some audience, then gone. So long-term, for at least 5 years, at least 10 years, you have to see that. Okay, there's a story showing the perfect long-term approach to sales. It may not be most efficient, but it is hard to find more efficient approach. So digital marketing, basically, it is a very old kind of concept, but it's always trial and error before we are getting mature. Before we are getting mature, it is always a trial and error. Okay, just let me give an example. So coming to story, a guy called Tom sold copy machines and printers. Okay, there is a guy called as Tom. For example, yeah, Tom and Jerry, I thought. So Tom sold machines and printers. Okay, what did the people basically say? So this is the person, this is the client. Okay, this is the client over here. What you can see, my mid-sized organization hadn't been having any notable issues with printers or copiers and had no plans of replacing them. Okay, we are not interested in um, printers, they said. So, so what did Tom do? So Tom did, he had been told multiple times our printer situation is just fine, but still Tom was persistent. Okay, you have to strive again and again. You have to, you know, wake them up. Okay, come on, come on. There is a product. Okay, at, at beginning it is very difficult. Okay, at beginning it is very difficult. You only see the success of the people. You basically don't see the journey and just start criticizing what he has done. He has just used Instagram. What is the big thing? You don't know the journey. Basically, you have to see the journey of a person. So his journey, Tom's plan. Okay, what did Tom do? Okay, every few months, the front door opens and that booming voice drops by to say hi. Tom went to various shops and said hi. Okay, and usually to drop off some sort of homemade treat. Now, basically, people came to know that he is selling printers, but still he was knocking the doors and he was saying, okay, do you want a cookie? Okay, do you want a printer? No. Okay, do you want a cookie? Oh, yeah, we want a cookie. So it became a running joke in the office. So, for example, my home is there, not my home. I have a company. To my company, Tom comes and always he will knock on the door and he will say, do you want the printer? No. Do you want the biscuit? Oh, yes. So that's how. So in my company, my employees, they started like, you know, making fun of him, making troll. I am getting hungry. Tom's chocolate chip cookies would save the day about now. So he was, basically trolled. So Next, my company, for example, I had taken, so my company started facing that problem. So soon enough, our printers started to acting up. Printers started to act up, and they basically uh, got spoiled. And as you can imagine, the only person we thought about is calling help us to solve our printer issue was Tom. Nice, no? Tom is the hero now. He did what most salesperson didn't do. So as he was knocking on the door again and again, as he was giving us reminder again and again and again, the first thing what came into my mind was Tom. So Tom had become a brand. So in the same way as Nike. So you get the point, right? Where I'm getting into. So brand, the recognition is the brand. Okay. So long-term approach is what he had took. He took a long-term approach, really focused on relationship he was building. He didn't care about the printers. He thought about the relationship what we are getting into. Okay, so uh, don't think short term, think long term. Okay, if you want to be friends with person, not because he is famous, because he is a person you have to be a friend with. He kept working at knowledge that while the sale might not be immediate, there was one in pipeline if he had kept showing up. He knew that because it was just a trial and error, but still it clicked, right? Over the years, the company placed multiple orders for a series of products with Tom, and it's because Tom zigged when most salespersons zagged. So most salesperson flopped, but he was a hit because his approach was correct. Okay, so always think long term. So when approaching your prospects, think long term. Okay, go big or go home. Okay, how can you create a long term relationship instead of just entering them into a campaign with a short term goal? Basically, many of the social media accounts nowadays, it only cares about the short term. Okay, for 1 year we will do the social media account, then we will leave it, and it is gone. So that's why we have to always more focus on the long term approach. Okay, short term approach will get you nothing. Plan long term. Okay, so your version. So what your version should be. So my version is, what is your version of Tom's chocolate cookies? As you can see, maybe it's simply sharing a link to any new content your company is putting out. Okay, any link. You just word of mouth has to be recognized more and more. Okay, he has done something. Okay, Tom has done something. So, or perhaps asking if there is anyone who can refer to their company every few months. This is all in the very inception stage, not the people or brand who are mature. If you are starting a startup, this has to be done always. Okay, you have to ask people. You have to go and ask. Okay, keep the ego aside. Okay, no, will come into your part, then it's gone. So keep the ego aside. Go and go dive into the water, and you have to ask. Okay, challenge yourself to think beyond the campaign and instead how you can provide value to your relationship. The relationship, what the customers and the product has or the salesperson have, that is more important than only selling. For example, OLX, people basically, okay, I also sold many of the phones in OLX which are not so proper. That is because I know it is a short term thing. OLX, okay. So they sometimes call me, okay, this phone is not so good. Then I will say, you have only paid so much, so I can only give so much. So I had done OLX also I have used for some time. So that was wrong. Now I have stopped OLX. Okay, don't blame me. Okay, so that was coming to the approach. Next, the hero. Okay, who is the hero? We are not the hero of this movie. We are not the hero of this movie. The one mistake that people always assume that they are the hero of the story. So okay, I will just say, you construct a brand. Okay, you will just start a brand. Then what you will think? Okay, always a startup, they will have that idea that our startup is good, our startup is awesome. Everyone thinks, they think that we are the hero, but it is wrong. We are not the hero, but the customer is his hero, but still we are the hero. Okay, you might get confused. Okay, the thing is that let's just remind and just pick it up again. One mistake that people always assume that they are the hero of this story. Okay, so for example, I am selling a vegetables. I think, okay, not vegetables. I am selling phone. Then I will think that my phone is awesome. So I am the hero. That is completely wrong. Yes, we are the hero, but we are a hero, but not the hero. Okay, the hero, the main protagonist, it is the customers. I don't know, but still, you might have watched the movie Star Wars, or you might have watched the movie Spider-Man Homecoming. So in that, basically the hero is Spider-Man and the person who is guiding him was Iron Man, right? So uh, if we can relate it to college, we are the guiding people. We are the Iron Man here, and the people that is the students are the Spider-Man. Or also you can say Obi-Wan Kenobi in Star Wars. He is guiding the main hero. His name is Anakin. Anakin was the hero. Also, Obi-Wan Kenobi was also hero, but we are just guiding. We can only guide it. We have to see the customers in such a way that before even they are knowing it, we have to get into the race and we have to show that, see, you might be interested in us. Okay, then the customer will think, oh, I have not thought about it. So before even thinking about our college, the students have to know there is a good college. So we are just guiding. So as you can see, we have to create an idea of a student. So that is the image that had seen. We are just the guiding people. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, customer is always the hero. Okay, so attract the customers. Use clear rather than clever headlines in your post. Okay, use a clear thing. Okay, so for example, I will be selling Apple. Okay, so sale of Apple. That's all. Okay, clever. There are people who think clever. This red fruit you will buy here. So what is the red fruit, man? I don't know. So use clear thing. Don't be, over smart. Okay, people will not follow it. Okay, he's too clever. We will not support him. So create curiosity. Second one is that create curiosity. That is, if you, for example, you might have seen in the newspapers or in the Facebook, if you see what has happened to this man, you will be shocked. So what is that? Why would we be shocked? So creating curiosity. So he will definitely click the link, right? If we click the link, he will view the post and we will get the views. And if we are selling the ads, that ad will generate revenue for us. Next, deliver your promise. Okay, so 13th of this month, there is a webinar coming on food practices in the COVID-19 situation, right? So that if the webinar basically delivers the promise, if I hope they does, so they will do. So basically, if the food what we have to consume, they had promised, right? We are consuming, we have to follow the rules of what we can say, the food. So they have to deliver the promise. If it is not proper, then that is a flop. Basically, many social media accounts have the same. So gain 100 followers in 10 minutes. That is the promise. If you go and see, it is something else. Something. Okay, they don't deliver the promise. Next, know what they like. So basically, know what they like. So if they like an Apple phone, or if they like an Samsung phone, if they like Android or iOS, the people who are selling have to concentrate on only that things what they like, not what they dislike. Okay, don't always depend on urgency. Okay, so you might have seen many links in Facebook and all. Quick, click the post below. Quick, quick. That urgency, sometimes it is fine, sometimes okay. Okay, what is there? Every time the same thing, the caption is done, they will come to know he is over smart. He is just creating urgency. I don't need that. Okay. So next, think clearly. Okay, just a second. Think clearly. Okay. This highlights the need for you to think clearly about the sequence and campaigns you are putting in front of your prospects. So what we basically want to have, we have to have a clear picture. Okay, always prefer a multi-channel approach that includes social, email, phone, and advertising, and we aim to be in as many places as possible. But that's not required in starting plot, I guess. Okay, so basically, why social media 1 year ago? Why the idea was given? Because it was very silent in social media accounts in official SGs. Oh, sorry, Saint Joseph College. So we have to have the presence of our thing. Okay, social media, we have to show our presence either in Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. All the four things, the same thing is posted, but still we are saying that we are actively using that thing. So if there is no plan, if there is plan A, we have to also think about the plan B, plan C, because there are alphabet still Z, right? All the plans we have to conquer, or we have to see all the aspects. Okay, we have to show our presence. That's all. Okay. So also we have to be very active. Okay. So that's what we had done. So next, coming to the main part, that is called as empathy map. So what is empathy map? Okay, for example, what is empathy map means? So for example, I have taken, see here, empathy map example, buying a TV. Okay, Jamie is there. Okay, Jamie Lannister, he is there. He goes to buy a TV. Okay, some Girias, or I guess something. Okay, mall, city center mall, and he will mainly what he says. That is, I was expecting something. Okay, so what does he say? First thing, what do you think? So because maybe he is the person who is buying TV for the first time. So he will basically start asking the salesperson. So what do you think? What do you think how the TV is? So where should I start? Okay, so is it reliable? Okay, what's best for me? So these kinds of things he will ask us. Okay, so what do you, while coming to the admission? So he will ask the admission department. What do you think? What do you think it is best for our kids? We will say CSIS, civil. So as you can see, so where should I start? We will give the application form. We will give the prospectus. They will start from there. Okay. Next, is it reliable? Of course, it is reliable. We will say. Okay, what's best for me? They will ask for their student. So now this pandemic situation, they might ask, what is best for my child? So we can guide them. So CS civil, because civil basically we can be entrepreneurs of our own. We can start our own business. So civil, it will never run out of choices. Okay, every branch is good. I'm just saying because I'm civil engineer. Okay. Next, what does he think? Okay, he thinks, now come back to the TV part. He thinks it is not the best, or if we even come to the college, he will think, he will not say, okay, he will not say, he will think it's not the best. Okay, there are too many options. Okay, they think I'm stupid. So see, that is what people will think. Okay, what will he think about me if I am asking so many questions? What will the admission department think? Will they laugh behind me? So that is common thing. We are humans. Okay. I just want the best. So I just want the best for example, MI phones. Now MI phones, don't buy MI phones. Just suggestion. Okay. It is not the best. There are too many options. They think I'm stupid. I just want the best. Always, people always want the best, right? Why do we want the worst? We are the customers. We are the kings. So we always want the best. Next, what he does, okay, after going to a shop to buy a TV, he will come back home. He will come back home, checks online because there is Flipkart, there is Amazon, and many more. He will ask friends, hey, which TV did you take? Panasonic, Onida, BPL? Okay, all those things are gone. but still they will ask friends which TV is good. Okay, okay, okay. MI TV is good. Okay, OnePlus TV is good. Okay, fine. Okay, the price is also very low, right? Okay, it is made from China. Okay, fine. Some conversation kind of things. He will compare. Now Redmi and Realme, they will compare. Realme, you can basically you can you can take it as a role model. It is having an aggressive competition against Redmi because Realme, if you can just watch it properly, it is just A and L. It has been made as D. Redmi, Realme. So if everyone doesn't know Redmi and Realme, so just at a glance they will think that it might be Redmi. So aggressive pricing, aggressive advertisement. So when people start comparing, so that they can get confused, so they compare. So if we come to the colleges, they compare with the nearby colleges. They will compare the colleges which are in Bangalore or anything. Okay, observes the ambience. So our campus is having a great ambience of lush green campus. If you go to any other colleges, such campus I have not seen. There might be colleges, so they will observe the ambience. The parents who come, the first impression, like wow, it's so green, it is so you know fresh air kind of thing. They might feel. They will feel the ambience. Okay, so what he feels basically while while inquiring about a product, anything, phone till college, till a small needle, before even asking all these things, after all the four parts, what he will think, what he will feel very excited. Okay, I will buy now. Okay, I will buy this. I will buy this phone. I will buy this Apple phone. It's so awesome. He will start overwhelming. Wow, it is so cool. iOS 14, it is the direct copy of Android, but still it is so cool. Wow, he starts overwhelming. He will start having fear. Okay, iOS is not as good as Android, so he will have that fear. Then he will get anxious. Okay, okay, fine. I have already bought this. Okay, he has taken out the purse and he is about to give it to the person. Then anxiousness. Should I buy? Should I not buy? Okay, iPhone. Okay, 1 lakh phone. Should I buy the Redmi phone? It is just 8,000. Let us see what we can do. So he feels such kinds of things. So basically, as a product seller, it is very important for us to have a image of the customer. So image of the customer, we have to draw it in our mind. That is a college student for our college. Hence, it is important to have image of person buying our product and what he basically expects. Okay, this image before admission you have to have. He looks like this. Okay, he will be very young. He will be very dynamic. Okay, so the hero, that is what it was. So I hope all these things you have followed. Coming to the next part, that is, let's wrap it up. Okay, let's wrap it up with the still some more points are there. So as you can see, before wrapping it up, what we can see is that let's see what we should concentrate more on. Okay, so now what we have to concentrate more on, basically, first thing is that technology has made it easier than ever for people to get in contact with their prospects. So what they want, they will get it very easily, just one click. Okay, just one click. Nike, okay, Nike page has come in that way. So next, but ease has led to a lot of people trying shortcut relationship building or defaulting doing what's simplest rather than what is the best. Their social media account is very good, but the real product, if it is not good, so that is what happens in general. Okay, I'm just generally saying that is what happens. They only think about the people to come in once, like you have seen in the local buses, right? Bale, 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 seat. Then when you go into the seat, there is no seat. So just want people. Then they will take the ticket. Then customer is not the king, he is the loser. So that should not happen. Okay. So what we have to do? There should be professionalism. Okay, you need to stand out and be different. You should be very different from others. It is very easy to say, okay, be different because everyone is different. So, but still, you have to always think of how we can improve something. You need a way to get your foot in the door and break the ice with your prospects in a non-slimy way. Okay, when you break the ice, you have to see that he is not getting any awkward. Okay, stop it, not like that. You have to break the ice in a very clever way. Okay, you need to position yourself as an authority. So you have to know the value of your brand first. Okay, if you have self-doubt, you can't achieve anything. This might sound cliche, but still, you have to have some self-confidence always. Okay, you are done good. So what is the thing? If they like it, they will definitely buy it. Someone who provides value and deserves attention. Okay, we have to show professionalism. Next, metrics. So metrics basically now what we can say is you have to see how many clicks have been done in the post, how many likes we have got. So we have to see the reports. I have shown you the insights in the Instagram. What are the things that has been done? So basically organically, because without any other external help ads, some of the posts have reached basically 6,000 to 7,000 people. It is all organic. It has been automatically generated by the Instagram. I have only done is the posting the thing and having the hashtag. So we have to concentrate on reports. We have to see, is this hashtag working out? Is this post really making any difference? We have to see the metrics. Okay, next we have to see the analytics, that is the insights in Instagram. We have to monitor always. We have to monitor. Okay, this post is not getting so much of like. Okay, we have to change it. Okay, this article it is not getting so much of views. This product is not getting so much of people are not buying it. Okay, monitoring. So Google has basically started many startups. Okay, because of these kinds of things, monitoring and all, they have cancelled many of the things. That is because there is no audience, right? There is no people, so they have cancelled many things. Okay, if you just see the WWDC of Apple and all, so they will basically first put in front of you. No, basically Apple is completely different. Google is something like that. First, Google will make some product, they will release it for free. They will see what the audience has done. Then, if it is not clicking, they will just cut it. But Apple is not like that. They will study, they will see others, they will see Google, what they are selling. Okay, they will perfect, they will be perfect. So I have to be the perfectionist. You can see, right, Apple's products are very perfect. There is no hurry burry, there is very less kind of criticism for them. So prediction, Google is doing the same thing. They predict it and then they will uh, continue or discontinue. Okay, so these are the metrics that we have to concentrate on. Yes. Attract the customers. Okay. Attract. Okay. Good work will always find audience. Okay. If you are doing something good, there will be always audience. Okay. Don't think that I am doing good. Nobody is watching my posts. Past 1 year. I am handling the Instagram, nobody is watching me. No, it is not the same. I have experienced it. If it is a good work, people will definitely follow. Why don't they follow? Okay, one thing is that Instagram people basically followed so many people because SJEC is already a brand. Okay, if it was from the scratch, we might have not got. Okay, just in 2 months, from 400 followers, we got nearly 1,500 because people were waiting for SJEC account to come. So as soon as it came, people started following. Okay, if there is a good work, there is a constant work going on, if there is a constant feedback from you people, if you support me, there will be always some good work and we can reach to next level. Okay, so don't be boring. Okay, use animations. So this is my PPT that is used by Prezi. So you would have seen many PPTs, right? So this is kind of more animated and more interesting, so that in this time of 3:30 p.m. You won't feel sleepy and all. So I use so much of no sharing of the content. Like I have spent a lot of time. So using of animations, okay, get help of audio and video, then use less cliched content, okay, motivational speakers. Every day on WhatsApp, text will come. Okay, don't stop until your name, we have to not introduce your name to others. That is all cliched content. Every day we will see that is now that please stop those kinds of motivational things putting in your stories. Better to start putting some memes and all. You might at least get some laugh. Okay, don't put too much of motivational content. Okay, we people don't like it. Okay, I basically don't like it. Cliche. Then know what they really want. Okay, know what they really want. Placements, sports, fresh. Three things. They want these three things. Upskill your presentation. So now my presentation, if I had not upskilled my presentation to this one, then it would have been hypocritic. Like it would be ironic. I have told do the presentation really good. Then if my presentation itself is boring, wow, what is he saying? So upskill your presentation. Okay, you have to you have to always work through. You have to find new things like this one. Okay. Next, never do this in so your journey of marketing. Never do this. Okay. First one, getting too excited. So 1 year ago, on July 26th, when management gave me a green signal, I was too excited. I came running to Jacinta ma'am. I started preparing the posters. I started giving. I was very excited. I didn't know what to feel. So now I'm not. Okay. Losing interest. Okay. So people started to unfollow. That time you have to not lose interest. You have to again strive for your best. Okay. Lose patience. Okay. So 9 to 5 already the teaching job is there. So again I will go to home, and as soon as I go home, we have to again post in the Instagram. So 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, I have made a timetable. So I basically don't do the posts of Instagram in the working hours. I keep it very separate. Okay, my mom scolds how much time do you use your Instagram. I will say it is for job, mom. So she will be like, I know what you're doing. Okay, fine, it's fine. So I made my mom to install Instagram, and my mom is also following official as JEC. So she knows, okay, he might be working. So you have to categorize between two things. Okay. Next is not updating with the current scenario. So basically, what's all the buzz about? It was basically how to use social media, right? So many of the people don't. In the faculties, I'm saying there is a age gap. I can totally understand it, but they don't even try installing the Instagram. Why? Install the Instagram. Something is going on. See the page. Just people were just not seeing the page and just saying what is there, what is there. Just see it. Without seeing it, you can't really appreciate what is going on. So update with the current scenario. Now PPT has gone, let us introduce Prezi to the college, something like that. Not updating with the current scenario. We have to keep on updating. Even the phones will be updated. See, this is my phone, which is of 3 years old. Now if you see this phone, it is so bad that if you see the phones of nowadays, it will have this camera, and it is so smooth. My phone, it looks like very Obiraya color type. It is 3 years old. So when phone is updating, why can't you update yourself? Okay, don't think that I am also not updating my phone. That is different issue. Just I am giving an example. Okay, overthink about what others say. Okay, this has happened to me a lot. Yes, overthink. Okay, why is he doing this? Okay, why is he starting this? Doesn't he have any other word? ಇದೊಂದು ಹೊಸತ್ತು ಇವ್ರದೊಂದು ಯಾರು ಇದು. So I was getting many, behind the back. Many people have supported me and they were giving me feedback. They didn't say the name, but they were saying, sir, ಹೀಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ. Okay, fine. So I was kind of, in the beginning, I was very upset. I tell you the truth. Then have plagiarized content. Okay, some post, say anything, copy paste, then it will go. Okay, we have to always think about innovative things. Plagiarize things, it will not get you attention. Fall into legal traps. Okay, that is the main thing. Nowadays, what has happened is, if you just copy paste things, like if you, for example, yeah, there is a singer. Okay, he is a freelance. He will post a video. Okay, he will sing like Arjit Singh. Okay, he will very smoothly he will sing. Then T series will see that they are very very keen about this. So Arjit Singh, if he has signed a contract with only T series, those people will stop the, or they will report. See this video, we are deleting this. Yeah, many people might have also experienced this. Okay, don't fall into legal traps. You might be also put into jail or even fined. So this is very serious matter actually. Don't fall into legal traps. Always use original content. Okay. So that was my presentation. So I have basically uh, taken the designs from these people because I have to give them credits. No plagiarizing. Also, the data are primarily collected from course on Coursera titled Strategy in Content Marketing. It is a very nice course. That is the most of the information what I had taken up. LinkedIn articles. After using LinkedIn, I have gone through many articles. And one more was when I had attended the FDP presentation of the company XGrow. Okay, Bangalore. That is a digital marketing company. So they had some of the things they had uh, said. That is the one thing which I had taken it from. So these are the things. Not everything is. I can't say that everything is done by me. I learned from those things and accordingly I had put in these slides. Okay. So finally, I would just like to quote that it doesn't really matter what you do, okay, but what you show to the world. Everyone in St. Joseph is working. I will not say no, but we have to show where it really matters. Until if you have any idea, please go and tell your HOD first. Then if HOD will agree, next step in the hierarchy, they will agree if the idea is good. We'll work upon it. We will see. Always people are, feedback is very, very important. So it doesn't really matter what you do, what you have in your mind, it doesn't really matter. It will be in your mind. So for example, what is in this book, it will be always there. If you only read it, it will come to your mind, right? If it is in your mind, if it is not written or if it is not coming into world, is a waste. So what you show to the world, okay, promote yourself. Nobody will promote you. Okay, you have to promote yourself. You have to come front. Okay, you have to, give the webinars. Okay, so um, basically my presentation is done. I will just say some of the quotes what I had mainly written. So they know your success, okay? They don't know your journey, which has filled with failures. Failures, okay? There are many failures, okay? They don't know that. When you succeed, when you in the top, they will say, he got lucky. He got okay. I could have also done it. Okay. So they don't know what is going on behind the person's mind. So before criticizing, please see the work. Okay. And also digital marketing, I'm just want to say, uh, the election of Trump, right? Trump is there. So he was basically targeted the Facebook ads. Okay, the Facebook ads, whichever are there, they sold their data, that is the US citizens data, to Cambridge Analytica. Cambridge Analytica saw, processed all those data and saw what basically these Americans hate. Okay, you get the idea, right? What they hate. So for example, they hate black people. I'm sorry, but this is the real thing. Okay, they hate certain kind of people. Then they started to comment, and all these data it gets collected. Cambridge Analytica, what it did is, for all the Facebook accounts, those kinds of ad only come, like only degrading the people who they hate, degrading the brands that they hate, degrading, are you afraid of terrorism? Trump will, come into picture, and he will, he will stop the terrorism. So you are basically the American person, typical person. He is just scrolling. He sees that once. Okay, fine, once. Again scrolling, twice. Scrolling 15 times in one scroll. Then subconsciously you are getting an idea that, okay, something is going on. Okay, Trump might be doing something. Now the news channels also you have seen, right? Coronavirus. So basically you will think that coronavirus cases are 7 lakh, but people are not saying the 5 lakh people have been cured. Why that positive news is not given? Why only negative news? So that is to create a fear, to create an agenda, to create a propaganda. Okay, political things will be always happening in digital marketing. So then basically Facebook got caught, it got fined also. So now Facebook is banning all the political ads, Twitter is banning all the political ads. I also suggest you to unfollow all the political pages. That is up to you. I don't follow any political pages, any religious pages. I basically, if I get upset, I will just go and watch videos of cats or memes. Okay, so now that political things, it will be basically, you will get a negative aura. Okay, you have to come out of the aura. You have to watch more and more cat videos or dog videos. That is best. That is, that has nothing to do with all these political things or religious things. Okay, so just before ending my session, I just want to say that 2 days early, 6th, okay, 6th, I had told you about the Instagram, right? Instagram, all the features. I hope people are starting to install, but there has been a one more update. It is called as Reels. Okay, it is a rival for TikTok. Okay, it is a rival for TikTok, Reels. So now if you go to Instagram and if you see the user interface, it will be completely changed. Okay, you please, when on 6th it was, those kind of things were not there. Now it has started again. Okay, so every time Instagram gets updated, and some, that is what happens. So if you think I have not covered that feature, that is because Instagram was updated. Okay, next, yeah, use more and more social media accounts in LinkedIn. Okay, you will promote yourself, because most of the HR recruitants all will be watching LinkedIn itself, and also be careful about the profile picture and all. Okay, so I will just show you. So as you can see over here, this is the reel. So next it is here. Okay, there, this is the direct rival against the TikTok. Okay, this I had not explained before because update has come recently. Okay, also as you can see over here, the whole UI has been changed. Okay, so please follow official SJEC. Please follow all the LinkedIn account, all the uh, uh, social media accounts of our college, and please show your support, and please keep me updating. Okay, uh, thank you so much. Okay, one point, okay, very well, one point that I had missed. Please, yeah, we will just, I just forgot in mind the hero. Okay, the approach. Okay, long-term approach. So this story, if you relate it to the our own college, so here if we relate it to the our own college, Tom is our college. Okay, Tom is our college. So every few months coming to the front door, that is because that we can relate it by giving more and more outreach programs, more and more webinars to the PU students. We are knocking their doors and we are promoting ourselves. Okay, Tom here, if we compare it to our college, that is a team, very dedicated team. We go to various PU colleges, we tell about our college so that even before they think, see PU students, even before they think have to join to St. Joseph, we are giving an idea that St. Joseph is a good college. Okay, so that is what. So also, and also one more thing I want to say, the the approach what we are doing now, St. Joseph Engineering College, what we are doing, it is going in a very right path. Okay, our team, our publicity team, our whole team, uh, the management, all the people, what we are sharing the ideas, it is all that it is all a teamwork. Okay, the feedbacks which are done, it has been inculcated in every social media, not only social media platforms, in websites and the way we go to we promote ourselves in that way. So basically, like we are promoting ourselves and we are going in the right path. Okay, so that is a thumbs up. Thank you, Saint Joseph. I mean, I'm also a part of Saint Joseph. So we are doing a very good job. Okay, claps. Yes, we have a great team. We are going in a very good manner. I hope Saint Joseph will come into next level soon after it gets the autonomous. Uh, we get the autonomous license. Okay, so yeah, almost it is done. So please go to the social media websites and please see my work. Without seeing my work, without knowing anything, please don't criticize it. Okay, it feels very bad. Even I can, not only me. Okay, Tesla, for example, he basically says his aeroplanes have to, sorry, his rockets have to reach the Mars. His role model was, who was his role model? Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong told what Elon Musk is doing, it is rubbish, because Neil Armstrong knows, right? He was the first person to land on moon. He was the first person to know how space is like. So with his concentration, he had told, like, what Elon Musk is doing is basically it is waste of time. What he is doing, I don't agree with him. So you can also see the interview of Elon Musk. So that interviewer asked Elon Musk, "So what do you think about the comment that had given by Neil Armstrong?" His eyes were fully teared up. So he was a role model, and if the people who we are depending on, uh, if those people only criticize us, where should we go, right? But now see Tesla. So his idea was great. So at least don't criticize. If possible, please support or please. Okay. Um, I hope my presentation is good. And yeah, about the certificates, all the faculties and staff of SJEC who are listening to my webinar will get a certificate on this e-certificate. It will take some time, about 7 days, 7 working days to 14 working days, to give the certificates. But please don't worry. I will give the certificates to every one of you, everyone, people who are here, who have supported me. Yeah, today morning I just did a small experiment. I had put my message in various groups. Please support me to click the link, and so just I don't know how many of you people came. It was just a small experiment. How many of you really support? If yeah, people might, those who didn't come, they might be busy also. I'm not saying they are not supporting. It was just a small, practical experiment that I had done. Today morning, I had sent links to various groups. Please support me. Okay, so much of hard work. So certificate will be given. Also, feedback link will also be shared. Feedback link is ready. I will share it. All the people. The certify M and the feedback link, how to link it, I exactly don't know. I will ask with Ragesh Raju sir. Thank you, Ragesh Raju sir, for facilitating this WebEx meeting. I will take his help. Okay, he is also, his plate is also very full. Okay? So please give us some breathing time. Let us breathe. Let us stay safe, stay healthy. Certificates we will give it to you. Okay. Thank you so much for attending. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please share the name of tool used. It is called as Prezi. Okay. Prezi. Okay. We'll just type it here. Just a second. It's called as Prezi. Okay. Prezi. Prezi, I guess. Prezi. Okay. Oh, yeah. I hope you got the messages. Prezi is called as Prezi. Okay. So 449. Okay. So the webinar is complete. Thank you for attending. Bye bye. Yeah, I got a very good feedback. I will share a feedback link also. Please give the feedback over there. Yeah, Likit, if you are here, I will share the PPT link. Okay, just follow me on Instagram. Okay, follow me on Instagram or official SJs. You just text me. I will send everything. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Likit.